The two main objectives behind its launching are first, precise landing. Our previous lunar mission, which was Chandrayaan-2, did not manage to get a precise landing on the moon surface. But our next mission, Chandrayaan-3, is aimed at more precise and softer landing, which will lead to our second objective, which is exploring the moon surface, especially that areas which are not receiving sunlight. It will lead to many discoveries, such as finding new minerals which are not discovered before, or finding ice water on the moon surface. It will lead to our scientific upliftment of space exploration, especially in India.
This is the important mission as it can create a great impact just like Chandrayaan-1.
As my friend mentioned, that in Chandrayaan-3 the main missions are to land a rover and to demonstrate a soft roving on moon surface. I don't think these missions are important because the Chandrayaan-2 had the same missions as Chandrayaan-3, and the thing which we are talking about, discovering water minerals, that was done by Chandrayaan-1 successfully, and it was globally recognized as well. Since we are launching a satellite, we should not focus it on the moon. We have to focus it on the Earth, or especially on India, on the peninsular part. For example, the Taj attack, which was done by submarines which came from the peninsular India. So one satellite should be launched, and that should be particularly focused on the peninsular India, so we could resist the formal attacks which may not come in the future. Thank you.
The moon colonization is highly debated topic. Some argue that it is a moral duty of humans to save the species, and some argue that we should improve life on Earth. The moon colonization is beneficial as the two most common favor in colonization are survival of human civilization and life from Earth in the planetary scale disaster. The availability of additional resources in space that could enable the expansion of human society.
Space colonization is a good idea, but not on moon only. There are other planets in the solar system like Mars, which could be habitable more than moon. Now allow me to introduce to you some of the points that will prove that moon colonization is not a good idea. First, atmosphere. Mars is an atmosphere which is suitable for plants but not for animals, but it has one. On the other hand, moon does not have an atmosphere at all. Second, gravity. The gravity on moon is much lesser than that of Mars. Mars gravity helps it to put its atmosphere in the place around the planet.